And now let's look at the other global stories. It's the second straight month of disappointing macro data from China, and that has forced the investment banks across the world to cut their 2023 growth outlook. The wave of downgrades highlights the danger of the world's second biggest economy missing its official target of around 5% expansion for the current financial year. The country is seen struggling with a confidence crisis as Beijing's delay in policy action that is being perceived as an inaction to bolster a sputtering economy.
Absolutely, and keeping it with China then, China's central bank unexpectedly slashed key policy rates for the second time in 3 months to boost an economic recovery. The central bank lowered the rates by 15 basis points to 2.5% from 2.6%. On the flip side, the Russian central bank hiked its rates by 350 basis points to 12%, as we spoke about earlier, amid efforts to halt the ruble depreciation.
And US banking industry is yet again in trouble as Fitch Ratings warns of further cut to the credit rating of more than a dozen banks, including major lenders such as JP Morgan Chase as well as Bank of America. Remember, Fitch had already lowered the score of the operating environment for US banks to a AA negative from a AA at the end of June.
And shifting focus from macros to equities then, Vietnamese EV maker Vinfast makes a Wall Street debut. Began trading on the NASDAQ following completion of its merger with Black Spade Acquisition Company and soared as much as 68% during the trading hours.